Hello everyone! In this video, I will share my vision of a good life and how music represents my journey toward the human flourishing. For me, music is more than just an entertainment. It is a reflection of growth, resilience, and hope. So I chose the three songs that capture the way I see life and the path that I am taking toward the flourishing future. So the first song that I chose is The Rise Beyond the Storm by Claire Matthews. This song inspires me to keep going whenever I feel discouraged. It talks about finding strength even when the world feels heavy. And for me, flourishing means that never giving up and always believing that better days will come. The second song is Hands That Hold Us by David Cruz. This is a song about the family, friendship, and connection. It reminds me that flourishing is not just about the personal success. It is also about having people who love, support, and guide you along the way. Every time I listen to it, I am reminded that relationships are what truly make life meaningful. The third song is Light Within by Ariel Solis. So this song reflects the peace and the gratitude, which this helps me pause and reconnect with my spiritual side. And for me, that flourishing is not only about the external achievements, but also about the inner harmony and then finding the purpose through faith. So my vision of a good life is having balance in different areas. So for my career aspirations, I aim to succeed in my chosen profession while using my skills to serve others. In terms of the personal relationships, I want to strengthen my ties with my family and friends because they are my source of joy and support. I also believe that taking care of my body and mind is essential to live fully, so I prioritize health and the well-being. Most importantly, I want to grow in my faith and values because they guide me through life's challenges and give me direction. Right now, the steps I am taking to live a good life, including the studying hard, improving myself daily, staying healthy, and nurturing my relationships with others, I also try to live with gratitude and kindness every day. So when it comes to prioritizing happiness, security, personal growth, or helping others, I chose balance. So I value happiness by cherishing the small moments. I work for by security by preparing for my future. I push for the personal growth through learning and discipline, and also I help others because I believe that real flourishing is shared. To me, a good life is not about perfection, but about balance. Balance, growth, and connection. So those. Music like Rise Beyond the Storm and Hands That Holds Us and Light Within continues to inspire me in this journey. So with faith, love, hope, and determination, I know that I can flourish. I can flourish and live a meaningful life. So that's all, and thank you for watching.